Alright, so I originally had planned to record this, but it was basically such a pain that I decided not to. I got most of this planking installed. So we got basically a 16-foot span in total from the left to the right. So it's actually 12 foot basically for the main path. And there's this little section here for climbing up on, and there's a 2-foot section over here that's basically to store the door when you come up here, like so. So open up the door, throw it up to the left, and then you can climb up and in here. So yeah, basically it was a pain because I had to keep brushing off all the insulation that kept falling on the 2x4s, and also these screws do not like to go in for some reason. Let me see if you can see up. So I got these two short boards already cut. And, screw them in. I also basically had to sit on the boards while I'm doing all this to get them to sit flat. See if I don't put a whole bunch of weight on it. as you might be able to see, I do have all the seams on this one 2x4, and that's usually not something you want to do, but this is just an attic. This is perfectly fine. There we go. One attic catwalk. Here we have a light. So this is a lot nicer to work up here now, even though hopefully I'll never have to work up here again. But we're prepared if we need to. All right, thanks for watching, everyone.